Hello children, today we are going to learn different topic. Yes, it is word art. We are not just going to write the words, we are going to decorate it in different way. So let's start to do the activity. For this letter writing activity, we need drawing sheet, pencil, black sketch pen or marker and oil pastels. First, we have to do the border with the help of scale and pencil. After finishing the border, we will start to draw our drawing. Children, as you all are in first standard, we are going to do the drawing with standard and numerical 1. Let's start to do the drawing. For that, first you have to divide your page into two parts. How to divide? Take 5 fingers from down and see from up also we have left 5 fingers only. First draw one very light line. It will automatically divide into two parts. So for the above part we have to write standard. Only short forms we will write S, C and D. And then the down part we are going to write 1. Okay. Now we are going to convert these letters into creative drawings. Let's see how to turn it into creative drawings. Let's start. Children, I am doing it directly with the sketch pen or marker, but you have to draw first with the pencil and then you have to do border with the black sketch pen afterward. This is our S. Now we are going to turn it into creative picture. Now T. It is not compulsory that the same pictures only you are going to draw. You can use your own creativity and draw any drawings with the letters. Now D. Now it's time to convert creativity of number 1. I have decorated this candle. See children, first we have written only 3 letters S, T, D, that is standard. Now how they are looking, isn't it creative? And for 1 we have given the candle shape. Now it's time to color it. You have to use your own creativity and you have to give the color according to that. It is not compulsory which colors I am using, you have to use the same only. You can use shading method also, which we have learned. You can use brush pens also if you have, or you can use markers also, colorful markers. You can decorate these letters with any shape. You have to use your own creativity. See, I have finished these 3 letters. Now it's time to color the candle. See, this is your picture. If you will give the very light background color, the picture will look more beautiful. But you have to remember the background color should be very light. Otherwise, the focus will go on background only. This is our final picture. Enjoy letter writing with Creative Things Standard 1. Thank you.